Ireland is currently and massively recruiting unskilled workers, and I want us to look at what opportunities are available for you as an unskilled worker who does not have a lot of qualifications, but you have technical skills to show in different industries, mostly in warehousing, production, and in the construction industry, and anything that revolves around the unskilled industries. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please, before we go any further, remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. That way you'll help me grow this community. Ireland is one of the countries right now that you need to look out for, because they are hiring a lot, different companies, different recruitment agencies, and you're going to get visa sponsorship. In today's specific video, I want us to go and through a step-by-step process on where can you get, or how you can get full sponsored jobs in Ireland, jobs that will give you full visa sponsorship, jobs that will enable you to move with your family and your dependents, and you do not need to sit for your IELTS. Remember, mostly when it comes to unskilled job, most of your employers or most of the companies that are giving you visa sponsorship are not going to ask for you to sit for your IELTS, because all they need is for you to offer your technical skills. So please do watch the video till the end, because there is quite a lot to go through. We are going to look at how much salary per hour and per month you're going to be getting in these companies, and I feel this is a very good option for anyone who has been looking to move to Ireland previously and they have not been lucky. If you get on indeed.com jobs and type Ireland visa sponsorship, so this is where you do it. So this is the site, this is the indeed.com jobs. Indeed is a very good known website that offers you very good jobs all over the world. So if you just type Ireland visa sponsorship, you'll find all the jobs that are available right now, and they're giving visa sponsorship. So there's this one, the first one, that is the general operative, and it is paying 14.30 an hour in Dublin, County Dublin. Customer assistance, Compass Group, Kildare. There's also that one. There's the warehouse supervisor, new healthcare company. There's a bookkeeper in PwC Dublin. There's general assistant. So these are actually mixed jobs, but you'll find some of them, or quite a number of them, are actually jobs that are giving visa sponsorship. Some are not, but most of them are, and some of them are actually mostly in the operative industry, and they are giving you options on how to go about it and everything. So for example, if you come to the general operative job that is available here, I want us to look at the details. So job details: 14 per hour, part-time, full job description, job type part-time, shift and schedule, benefits, full job application. For this one, they are saying you must be authorized to work in Ireland, so we leave that. Let us look for another one, a cleaning operative, and again you go through. They're paying $12.90 an hour, job time full-time, shift and schedule, overtime, and then the benefits: additional leave. They are not also giving visa sponsorship. So you go through, as much as, yes, you've added the filter to, you're looking for jobs that are giving visa sponsorship. Sometimes you'll find that not all the jobs that are actually here on the visa sponsorship section that are giving a visa sponsorship. I do not know why it happens like that in some of the websites, but anyway, you go through each and every job and try to find one that is offering visa sponsorship, and you in like 10 jobs you'll not miss 2 jobs that are giving visa sponsorship. Another website we are going to look at is glassdoor.ie. Glassdoor is also a very good and known website that has jobs worldwide, and also they always give you how much they are paying. Like for the first job that is available is event and sponsorship executive, that is paying 30,000 euros per year. It is on site, location in person, Monday to Friday, supplementary pay rates, bonus pay, yearly pay. There is also another one, account executive in Dublin, looking for candidates with up to 1 year experience in sponsorship, PR, marketing, communication, and what not. So you'll find a lot of jobs that are available. You will also find all that is required in terms of what is needed for you, a competitive salary, what we can offer, hybrid working environment, unlimited holidays, and they're also giving you where to send your CV if you feel. So you can either click easy apply or send your CV to mary@legacycommunications.com. Let us look at this office administrator role. The in Galway-based family-owned and managed company providing waste collection services. So remember, not all jobs that you'll find will give you visa sponsorship. So sometimes you'll need at least to go through to see if the company will give you visa sponsorship. Okay. So there's also another one. Let us look for more because I know there are quite a number. General operative, account executive, commercial, retail sale assistant, lab operations apprentice, and whatnot. So anytime you come to any job, go through the job first and try to find, because some of the jobs will clearly state they are not giving sponsorship, so it will be very unfair for you to go through that. This is a Nestle opportunity for Nespresso. That is a very good company to work for. So you have to go through and see if they actually give job. In accordance with guidance, successful candidates will be required to evidence their right to work in Ireland before commencement of employment. We have assessed this role and do not consider that we will be able to sponsor a successful candidate under the skilled worker route, as the role does not meet the relevant criteria. So that means definitely for this role they are not going to offer sponsorship. But not all roles that you're going to always get sponsorship, so you always need to be on the lookout for what is which roles will give you sponsorship and which will not. So until next time, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep safe, be safe, and bye.